All right, so welcome back to episode 3 of turning 6100 to 25K. And if you guys are watching this, be sure to hit the sub to follow along. Also, down below, you can follow my Twitter account. I post ideas on stock trades, whatever. So if you want to check that out, go for it. And let's do a quick update so far. So today, the current account balance is around 6770, which is not bad. It is going to fluctuate a lot because one of our call options is we have a lot in QS, so that could be up 2K one day or it could be down 2K. So I'm not too much on the balance. But in the meantime, we did exit a play which was SoFi, and let's take a look at that right now actually. So I was gonna hold this a lot longer than what I intended, but as you guys can see, we did pop up all the way up to around this level here, and I decided to get out because the calls just weren't moving. That's really why. So between yesterday and today's trade, we did substantially moved up a lot, but the call options, they're $8 calls for November, and they weren't moving too much. However, we did profited off of that, and we made about, let's see right here, about 340 on the SoFi calls. So I could pull it up here so you guys could check it out too. 340, we locked that in. And that concluded SoFi. Tomorrow also, what's the risk? Why continue holding the calls if the Fed comes out and it's not what we wanted? No point in going under on that. Besides SoFi, we decided to enter Intel as well. They seem to have some type of restructuring going on over here, and I believe this might be the last of this horrible drop it's been going through. So I've decided, this is possibly a double bottom, and we could fill the gap upwards, or this could be the start of a new trend, or it could continue to be dog shit. So I don't know, one or the other, which is fine. But I decided to take some calls, and we're looking at November 15, 2024 calls. And they're $22 calls, sorry. So I'm expecting a run upwards around this level. I might sell it for $25, $26 when it hits there, but this is going to be a quick play. I think that, we could start, we're breaking out of this lower band over here. So that's a positive. And, we might continue upward. So that's another plan I'm going for. And then finally, we're still in our QS play, which I think, depending on how tomorrow goes, which is going to be a big day, we could start seeing a nice rally to the upside, followed by those B sample news, which I'm still waiting for. So this is a long-term play, which is fine. And then just so you guys check one more time, this is what we're looking at. Account balance is right here. And yeah, that concludes today's trades. So adios.